this is my fourth website, and it's called NASA Kids Club. Uh, I chose it because it looks so fun, and as I was kind of moving around with it and playing around a little bit, I was excited, and I think that if I'm getting excited as an adult, kids will get excited. I think they'll really, really love it, and they'll respond well. The purpose of this is to get involved in STEM. I know that in my school we try really hard to get more and more involved into STEM, but it seems like so many days we don't have time for science and the different STEM activities. And so that kind of gets booted when everything else is kept in. And so I would really like to maybe incorporate science a little bit more and so maybe some different science technologies. And so this follows the standards 5C, which is explore and apply instructional design principles to create innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. And 6C, which is create learning opportunities that challenge students to use a design process and computational thinking to innovate and solve problems. So when you get on this website, it takes you to here, and then you go down here, and it says Hello Earth Kids, and it tells you, kind of welcomes you to the NASA Kids Club, and then right here it shows you where you can go as a parent and as a teacher or a caregiver. So I think my audience for this would be, it could mostly be for kids because it's for kids, but also parents and teachers can use it as well to teach kids about all things NASA. So, and I think it's really cool because I know a lot of my boys in my class really like science. I know my girls do too, but my boys love rocket ships and space, and so I think that they would really love anything that has to do with NASA. So in this, when you get down to here, you can go down, and it has all these different things that kids can do that relate to NASA. So they are doing different science things while also practicing different skills. So here, there's a game that's called Search for Spin-Offs. So that was kind of cool. You use the clues and find objects. And so they have to use context clues, which is really cool and something that we need to practice in school. And then here you put airplanes in order. And then like here is the women of STEM, which is really cool, so that I can know that I can let my girls know that science is cool. Girls can do science too. And there's just so many cool things on here where they can play games, but also learn about science and space. And they get to know more and more about space through this. Um, and there's even more down here. And then up here they have different things, like they have topics, different missions, galleries, so an image of the day, image galleries, videos, NASA TV, follow NASA, different downloads, about, so you get to learn all about NASA. For maybe some like older kids, this would be really cool. And then NASA audiences as well. So it's just a really cool website that I think kids would really enjoy to learn about science more and STEM, and they get to learn through these games. So I think that this is really, really cool, and I think kids would really like this website a lot. And I hope to use it to incorporate science a little bit more into my schedule.